Love you. Bye-bye. See you later, buddy. We're headed down the road to buy a round bale of hay. Right, buddy? Trees over here. Cutting the Christmas trees soon. Look at all their nice apple trees. All those big trees there are apple trees. We got our hay. Time to go home.
Yes, we go hay.
Yes, we got our hay. Big bale, huh?
What about my hat? Drop it. Okay.
Ah, it's nice to be home.
That's it.
And the hay smells sweet.
That's it.
That was a long drive, wasn't it? But now we're home on a hay bale in the truck.
Yes, we are.
Oh look, there's a hawk up there. Do you see that? A red-tailed hawk circling around. There it is, circling. Am I gonna drop you today? No. Boom. What a beautiful day.
This is a beautiful day.
Kitty's sleeping in the sun. What's a good idea?
I did this a meal.
Oh, what a good idea. What's the temperature of your soup?
Actually, it was 150 when he first got it.
Ooh, that's hot.
I'll show you. Oh, they're dog, right?
There's some soup for you, buddy. There's a cat sitting on your head. Have a nice walk.
We might even run a little. Go on, kid.
Are you gonna go on a walk? See ya.
Bye.
Pretty lady's perched on a hay bale.
Joy, are you supposed to be climbing hay bales? Girlfriend, what's your doctor say? I just wish we lived like in the Midwest where we get all that gorgeous green alfalfa hay.
Can you help me get off?
But I'm pleased that we can get this for $25.
It's not 25, it's 35.
Oh, did it go up?
It was 30 before. Some
yeah.
I got it once for 25.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna rock it. All right, here we go. Playing on hay in a barn. Kids have done it for hundreds of years. This bale probably weighs up to 1,000, could be over 1,000 pounds. It's probably 800 or 1,200 pounds. It's not as heavy as some of the bales I've gotten, but it is heavy. I can barely budge it on this floor when it's flat, just to inch it and slide it. We're gonna feed our goats and cow this hay, but we're also gonna do that strategically, and we'll also use it for bedding. You might think it's a waste to throw good hay to the pigs for pig bedding. Well, we don't look at it that way for a couple reasons. One is they will eat some. They'll eat as much as they want. Plus, this is the cheapest material you can get. Hay and round bales is way cheaper than straw. There's no real big grain production around here to produce straw, so all the straw that you buy around here is brought in from other parts of the country. Braveheart, how are you doing? He's already smelling about twice as bad as he smelled the other day. But I think everyone out here is happy with that. Do y'all mind that smell? Does that bother you? No? I didn't think so. Brightly, the small goat that we didn't want him to breed, is gone to a good home. Some friends came over, we actually gave her away. What a cutie. The pigs were up in this section of the garden for exactly 6 days, and they've roototilled this for me, but we're moving them off this ground now. You can see their nest right here in the middle where they gathered all the grass and piled it up. Now they're on this brand new area here, and they're just having a ball running through, finding stuff to eat, rooting. Now it's time to plant this area with a cover crop. I've chosen winter rye just because I've had and seen the most consistent results in this really cold weather planting. It's basically gonna look like a grass when it comes up. Last time I did this, I threw it on the patch over there the last day that the pigs were on the soil, hoping that their feet would trample it down in. I've heard of people doing this. The problem is, the pigs ate a lot of it. They spent the whole day looking for these tiny, tiny little seeds, and I know they found a lot of them. The question is, how many did they find, and will it come up? So this time, I'm gonna spread it and rake it in. Folks, thanks for joining us. This has been another great day on the homestead. We got the pigs moved, we got some hay, we did some other stuff. Thank you so much for joining us.